Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? Mike here with Freight to Freedom. So, this is my first YouTube channel. First video. This is my first video. I just wanted to introduce myself and what the channel is going to be about. And so, I am 39 years old. I'm a truck driver. I'm not going to say what company. I'm going to leave them out. And basically, I am just tired of this industry. I am tired of it. I'm tired of driving. I'm tired of dealing with people on the road. I'm tired of dealing with the company that I'm working for now. That's probably a whole nother video in itself. I might go into details. I don't know, but so now, yeah, with this channel, with this video, I don't know what I'm saying. With this company, I'm basically working 13, 14 hours a day. And they changed our pay scale. So I was getting paid by the hour. Now I'm getting paid by the mile. And it's less, mind you. It's less than what I was getting paid by the hour. Tired of distance, warning, signals. Maybe I shouldn't fall so close, but I don't care. But I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of the industry, and so I decided to make this channel, and I wanted to kind of document and vlog what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be trying a bunch of different businesses, a bunch of different ideas. I've got one that's opening up. I'm going to try to open it up. I'm working on some stuff now that I have to work on. I was hoping to open it last summer. Yeah, I know it's seasonal. I know, but I'm hoping that even with the seasonal, I can kind of piggyback a bunch of stuff, and I can just not drive at all. Maybe I can make my wife work harder. That's a big shoot in the dark, though. That's not going to happen. But so I'm hoping that I can kind of stack a bunch of stuff together and quit driving. I'm trying to stop this summer for sure. It's now, there's snow on the ground. Let's see. Can you see outside? It's February, beginning of February. And yeah, I'm just done driving. So I just wanted to kind of document my journey and see if I can't create a YouTube channel or a community where other truck drivers can join, and we can kind of piggyback off of each other. Maybe you can get ideas from me, whatever. But maybe I can help you, somebody else can help you, maybe another truck driver, give you some pointers, give you some ideas. And trying to get out of the truck, because I know there's got to be other people out there just like me, other drivers out there that are just tired. I mean, not just tired, I mean the kind of tired that you should probably go into a coma for so you can recover how tired you are. So like I said, I'm 39 years old. I've been driving for like 10 or 11 years. 11 years, something. And it's just gotten to the point where it's just I'm capped. I'm capped. You can only make so much money. You're dealing with so many problems. Like with this company, I'm a company man. It's a company man. I'm having to come into work and I have to wait on a truck every day. I gotta wait on a truck every day. So before I even start my run, the run I'm on, it's about a 13, I'm governed at 65. So if I start on time, it's typically about a 13-hour day to begin with. So you wait on a truck, you're easy working 14 hours a day, 16 hours. And it's just exhausting, man. I'm tired of missing birthdays. I'm tired of missing time at home. You know, and I'm you know, the key problem is that I'm tired of working on somebody else's business, somebody else's dream, somebody else's money. Yeah, I'm making money. I was making good money, but it's just not for me. I'm tired of getting brake checked, tired of people cutting in front of me. I'm tired of dealing with the camera. And everybody knows, you know, we went to this new camera, the Solera or something. So I don't know, it picks up your eyes, tells you to slow down, tells you to put on your seatbelt, tells you to, well, people are like, well, you should all be doing that stuff. Yeah, that's great. I don't want to wear my seatbelt if I don't want to. I want to do what I want to. Anyway. So anyway, I'm just tired of the whole industry, and I want out, and I'm hoping that maybe this channel and maybe what I do can help other people get out of the truck too, because I'm determined. I'm determined. At this point, I'm willing to do anything to get out of the truck. I mean, literally anything. And I've tried some other businesses. I've tried some other stuff before, and it didn't work out. You know, not because I didn't know. Well, I didn't know what I was my YouTube certified learner. It's just I didn't have the capital to start up, especially this one thing that I started, and that'll be on another video. But you know, it's hard. It's hard when you're making good money like this. You're out here driving, and you're making good money, and people are driving beside you, acting all weird. You have to figure out what other people are doing, how they're going to drive. I don't know what this guy is doing. I'm going to try to speed up. Just tired of people, tired of these people on the road. Companies, it's ridiculous. But I'm hoping that I can help somebody else get out of the truck, you know, and maybe help build up their dream. You know, that would really be great. You know, while I'm showing you guys, you know, the downfalls, the lessons, the positives, negatives, sideways, stagnants, you know, and give you ideas along the way. But yeah, I guess that's all I'm gonna put for my first video. I don't know what else to say. I did have a script. Let me see my script. It's just crazy out here, guys. You know, you're out here driving, you're getting paid shit money. Maybe you're getting paid good money. I don't know. Let's see here. Let me see my script. I'm going to read this. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I'm falling too close. I'm going up a mountain. I'm being safe. That money, yeah. Yeah, you know, I think that's it. I think I covered everything. I don't know. Just a few. So yeah, welcome to the channel, guys. Like and subscribe. And if you're looking to get out of the truck, I'm telling you, I'm going to have a lot of good nuggets. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to have a lot of good nuggets to help you guys get out of the truck. You know, it's not just going to be, it's going to be about all kinds of stuff. Stuff that I tried, stuff that I haven't tried, stuff that I should try. You know, but all in all, I'm hoping I can help someone get out of the truck just like me, because I know there's people out there that are tired, that are real tired, that are so just tired of it all, tired of doing live loads, tired of just sitting here all day. Because for me, I feel like I could be doing so much more. You know, maybe I'm not going to make the kind of money I'm making here. I plan on it. You know, maybe not at first, but I plan on making more. But I'm just not doing this anymore. You know, especially nighttime. You nighttime guys, you're just driving at night. You can't even. I drove nights for about a year with this company. I've been with these guys for like 4 years and a couple months. And just couldn't see anything. I was running my run and I had no idea where I was going. I was going to a drop lot, a meat lot, meeting somebody, swapping out, coming back and doing a big circle. I had no idea what anything looked like, where I was going for a year. Couldn't see nothing until I went to day shift a year later, and then I actually, at least now I can actually see where I'm going. But that kind of stuff, man, when you're just sitting there for hours and you're just trying to keep yourself busy, you're trying not to run people off the road, you know, it's exhausting, mentally and physically. And when you spend these long hours out on these highways, these roads, these back roads, I just feel like I could be doing so much more. I'm just tired of just sitting here all day, just wasting away. You know, I got back problems, neck problems, posture problems. I'm trying to fix all this, you know, and the trucks we're getting in, they got crooked seats. They're breaking down all the time. Knock on wood, for the love of God. I just started my shift. Got a long day ahead of me. You know. But anyway, guys, I'll cut it off there. I'm gonna try not to rant. But anyway, guys, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get you out of the truck.